1989 IPS बॅचाचो मुकेश कुमार मीना गोंयचो नवो DGP. मुकेश कुमार मीनान शुक्रारा दीस आपल्या कार्यालयाचो ताबो घेतलो. मुकेश कुमार मीनाक गोंयांत येवचे पयलीं मिझोरामचो अतिरिक्त DGP म्हूण काम पळयतालो. थंयच्यान ताची आतां गोंयांत बदली केल्या. गोंयचो आदलो DGP प्रणब नंदाक हार्ट एटॅकान मरण आयिल्ल्यान नोव्हेंबर 2019च्यान गोंयांत DGPची खुर्ची खाली आसली. सुमार 8 म्हयन्या उपरांत मुकेश कुमार मीनाची गोंयचो DGP म्हूण नेमणूक केल्या. 1992-93 मुकेश कुमार मीनान गोंयांत काम केलां. ते फोंड्याचे अधीक्षकूय आशिल्ले. शुक्रारा दीस कार्यालयाचो ताबो घेतल्या उपरांत DGPन पत्रकार परिशद घेवन बेकायदेशीर धंदे गोंयांत करपाक दिवचो ना अशें जाहीर केलां.
In fact, the first priority was regarding this present COVID-19 virus problem, and I was informed that some of the policemen were also infected by this disease. We have discussed how to control and how to prevent infection in policemen. I have asked my officers to analyze each and every case, how they got infected. First, they should find out origin, and accordingly, further briefing will be given to the staff. We have discussed with other police officers also from Delhi as well as other states what are the good practices which are going on there. So now we are going to implement some of the measures in the police stations where public go for with their complaint. We have to ensure policing, but we have to ensure safety of our policemen also. Regarding other places also, they are deployed at containment zones, they are deployed in cities, they are deployed on borders. We have asked them to bring them to implement those measures so that they remain safe. And since it is a duty, we have to assist administration for this controlling this spread of this virus. So risk is always there, but we will take measures. So this is first priority in Goa. Besides that, now slowly some opening of some hotels are there. Tourists may also come. The priority is safety and security of tourists, as it is always priority of Goa police. And in fact, we will give priority on all aspects of policing, whether it is law and order, whether it is crime prevention and detection of crimes. Those pending cases will be investigated properly, and those which have not been detected, efforts will be made to detect those cases. Besides that, we have got a specialized branch of ANC and anti-narcotic cells there. We will activate that. We have a crime branch also. We have asked crime branch also to activate and prevent crimes, as well as whatever cases they are investigated, they should investigate properly. Besides that, traffic will be a major criteria, because in the cities where industrial growth is there, tourists are there, our priority is to regulate traffic in such a manner that accidents should not increase, especially fatal accidents. And all aspects of policing, whether it is crime against women or whether crime against children, crime against persons who are coming from other places, crime against foreigners, all aspects will be given priority. I have discussed about welfare of the staff also with my officers, and moreover I will be taking detailed meeting after your press conference. So in that also we will discuss each and every aspect. Regarding welfares, there is some issues regarding promotions. I have asked headquarter people, officers, that they should immediately prioritize promotions, those pending promotions will be done very early. Immediately we take a step to promote officers, those who are deserving and as per their criteria. And we have our IG who is well experienced as well as DIG who are here. They have suggested many measures. We take all these measures since today is first day. So I will study all aspects and we follow it up